Hey friends, if you wish to fix hardlock.sys blue screen of death error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to simply restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart it. The next solution is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then open recovery. Go to open system restore. Click on next, select a go to the store point, click on next, finally click on finish and then click on yes. The next solution will be an SFC scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to update drivers, and the best method to do that is as follows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on advanced options in the right pane and then you can select optional updates. Make sure to install all the optional updates, then return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.